Hello, my name is Dawn Gosson, and I am doing my slide presentation on Estee Lauder Pure White Linen fragrance. This fragrance promotes that you can use this all year long, and you'll also notice that I do have a lot of white space, which I did intentionally because it is called Pure White Linen. On the original ad, you will see that the woman is dressed in all white, and she does have some gold jewelry on. The typography that was used was called Optima, which I was able to also use in my ad. And again, we have a lot of white space. It also shows that she's outside and she's enjoying the summertime. On my new ad, you will see that I have a woman that we are using the same Optima typography, and that she is dressed in white with gold beads, which ties into the woman that's dressed in all white with jewelry. Again, a lot of white space. And she is also enjoying the summertime outdoors. You'll notice that she is looking at the flowers, and I would expect that next step would be for her to smell them to get their white fragrance. This is the Estee Lauder logo. You can see that it is pretty simple. Estee Lauder officially became a corporation in 1946, and prior to that, she sold cosmetics for many years. Thank you very much for allowing me to present this presentation, and it's been a great year. I hope you all have a Merry Christmas and a Happy Holiday.